Introducing the Zyllion Shiatsu Pillow Massager. The Shiatsu massager has 2 different settings for ultimate relaxation. Massage and heat and just massage. Hold down the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The massager is easy to use. Just ensure that the connections are tight. You should hear a click, then just plug it into a home outlet or a car socket. The Shiatsu massager has an ultra-slim ergonomic design which contours perfectly around lower and upper back, neck, abdomen, calf, and thigh areas. The massage motors are also very powerful to ensure a deep massage. Now sit back, relax, and let the Zyllion Shiatsu Pillow Massager relieve all your aches, knots, and muscle tension.
Free your wine from the grasp of an air-restricting bottle with the Chateau's hand-blown and 100% lead-free crystal wine decanter. Perfectly engineered for a standard 750 milliliter bottle to enhance the purity, aroma, and taste of your favorite red or white wine. When poured, the wine reaches the widest diameter of the decanter, which allows for maximum aeration. Its easy-to-pour slanted spout helps you avoid spills and drips. This is one of the only wine accessories you can't live without. Discover a perfect fusion of beauty, elegance, and function with the Chateau wine decanter.
Ultra Repair Cream is the perfect solution to help hydrate, calm, and soothe dry, tight, flaky, red, itchy skin, even eczema. Its whipped texture absorbs immediately with no greasy afterfeel. Colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, and ceramide 3 provide immediate relief and visible improvement for parched skin. And it is clinically proven to immediately increase hydration by 169%. This head-to-toe cream is safe for sensitive skin and even young children.
Ladies, when you think about how we function in today's world, you realize just how much relies on battery life. Whether it's your smartphone or your tablet, we can't function without them. The same goes for ourselves. We lose sleep, we overexert ourselves, and we constantly stress out. I am happy to introduce you to iRejoy. iRejoy, the world's first power bank massager. A power bank can charge devices such as your iPhone, tablet, or iPod without needing to be plugged into a wall.
There's a lot of jumping from class to class, and sometimes I forget to charge my cell phone. And the iRejoy is nice and compact, so I can keep it in my bag, and now I don't have to worry about being stranded.
As if that weren't exciting enough, we've added a 10-speed personal massage feature with a quiet ultrasonic motor, all in a small portable tube. And it's small enough to fit into your purse, bedside table, or travel pack, ensuring you will always be fully charged.
My job has me traveling all the time, so it's really convenient to have iRejoy with me because my phone always dies. It has 10 different massage speeds that feel pretty divine. I'm able to plug on the go while I'm at the airport, in my car.
Relax your tired muscles, release healing endorphins, and tap into your body's natural ability to heal itself. The benefits are endless, and anyone can benefit. Some of the main features are the beautiful ergonomic floral design, crafted with soft-touch silicone. Special pouch for storage or to discreetly charge your devices with included retractable cable. It comes in 4 colors, luscious red, bliss pink, happy blue, and mystic purple.
Personal massagers and power banks can both be expensive, but with iRejoy you get both features for half the price. Why not have a device that can double task?
The iRejoy is simple to operate. The massage feature can be activated by simply pressing the power button twice. The power button switches between the 10 different massage modes whenever it is pressed. To turn off the device, press and hold power for 3 seconds. Life is better when everything is charged, and there's only one product that does this. Recharge, enjoy, iRejoy.